Now we will discuss electric potential, derivation of electric potential due to point charge. Now consider this diagram. In this diagram, Q is the positive charge and here O is the origin. The distance between O and A is denoted here R, and the distance between point M and O is denoted by X here. And this E is nothing but the electrostatic force, which is here. Electrostatic force is against this unit positive charge. Means we can say that work done by this, work done is equals to dW is equals to minus F of ds, because this electrostatic force is, the direction of this electrostatic force is against this positive charge. You can say that the distance between this N, point M and M are located in the system, and distance between this N and M is denoted by dx here. Now here, see here, we have to find out the potential at a point A. We need to find out the potential between this at a point A here. Now Q is the point charge at point O here, we know that, and we have to find out the final distance. We have to find out the potential at point A at the distance R we can. Now let M be the intermediate part between point A and infinity. Now here we have to consider the infinite part from A. A से हमको ऐसा infinite पॉइंट कंसीडर करना है, वो इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट का और ए इन दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. सपोज ओ एम इज इक्वल टू एक्स हियर, तो ओ एंड एम का डिस्टेंस सपोज एक्स है. सो वर्क डन क्या होगा हियर, हियर द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स इज अगेंस्ट दिस पॉइंट पॉजिटिव चार्ज, सो देयरफॉर वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू माइनस एफ ऑफ डी एस, बिकॉज ई इज against the direction of E. Electrostatic force is negative here, it is act in negative direction, that is not in this direction. Means this electrostatic force is act in not in this direction, but ये कैसे act हो रहा है, in the opposite direction. Therefore this dW, that is work done, dW is minus f of dx. It is minus f of dx. So here electrostatic force, we know that it is at point M. Electrostatic force at point M is equals to, it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q by x square. So here total work done, we know that total work done from infinite point to point A. Infinity means system के बाहर का point टू ए पॉइंट का हमको टोटल वर्क डन कैलकुलेट करना है. सो डब्ल्यू इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इन्फिनिटी टू डिस्टेंस आर माइनस एफ ऑफ डी एक्स, विच इज इक्वल्स टू इन्फिनिटी इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इन्फिनिटी टू आर माइनस 1 बाय 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन 0 इंटू क्यू डिवाइड बाय एक्स स्क्वायर. सो जो कॉन्स्टेंट है वो बाहर निकालो. सो माइनस क्यू बाय 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन 0 इज कॉमन आउट. सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इन्फिनिटी टू आर 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर इट इज. सो व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर, इट इज minus q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 x to the power minus 2 plus 1 is added in numerator and plus 1 is also added in denominator also. So x raised to power minus 2 plus 1 divided by x to the power minus 2 plus 1, so it is x to the power minus 1 divided by x to the power divided by minus 1 it is. So infinity to r here. So minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus 1 by x to the power minus 1 divided by minus becomes plus here. So it is 1 by x into 1 by x to the now here the integral r to upper limit is r and lower limit is infinity. So it is put this value here. So minus plus it becomes plus. So q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. 1 by r, so 1 by infinity is 0. So here 1 by infinity is 0. Therefore our next term is q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r, because 1 by infinity is 0. Therefore this term is 0 here. So work done is equal to W is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r here. As we know that this electrostatic potential V equals to, it is nothing but the work done, which is equals to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r into r. We will write this way also. So we can write here from this equation. What does it indicate? From this equation, it indicates that this electrostatic potential is inversely proportional to the distance r, as q by 4 pi epsilon 0 is constant here, and where r is infinity, because we have taken here the somewhat point from infinity to that point. We have to calculate the distance from infinity to point A here. So therefore r is equal to infinity. So what is the value? V is inversely proportional to 1 by r equals to infinity 1 by 0. So which is equals to 0. Means we can say that electrostatic potential is 0 at infinity. When we will draw the graph between this distance and electric field E and electric potential V, then it gives the curved line. Means we can say that this is the variation of electric field and potential with distance. Variation of electric field and electric potential with distance. Means we can say that electrostatic potential is inversely proportional to the distance r. Means V is inversely proportional to r, and electric potential means electric field, we can say that E equals to 1 by of r square. Means it is inversely proportional to distance of square of the distance r. It is inversely, electric potential is inversely proportional to distance r, and electric field is inversely proportional to square of distance r. Means electric field vary with the square of the distance. Means electric field, if suppose electric field is 2, then distance is vary, it becomes r equals to 4. Means it is vary with the, it is electric field is decreases, then distance is, we can say that, increases. If electric field is increases, then distance is decreases. So this is the graph between distance and electric field E and electric potential U here. Now write down this in your copy.